Withdrawing money from your Temu account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Temu account. Open the Temu app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet or account balance section. This is usually found in the main menu or under the profile settings. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the wallet section, look for the option to withdraw funds. Click on it to proceed to the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that it does not exceed your available balance. Review any fees that may apply to the transaction. Step 5. Choose your bank account. Select the bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you may need to add your bank details before completing the withdrawal. After completing these steps, confirm the transaction. Your funds should be processed and transferred to your bank account within the specified time frame. Always check for any updates or changes in the withdrawal process on the Temu platform.